Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Wi-Fi problem on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do is just need to just right click on your start menu icon, click on settings. After that click on network and internet from your left side. On your right side make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled over here. After that you just need to click on advanced network settings. Now click on network reset and click on reset now. So after this click on reset, it will take some time, and as you can see showing like it will shut down your Windows after 5 minutes. So after restart, check your problem is solved or not. If it is not, then you just need to go to your settings once again and simply click on system from your left side. On your right side you will get an option called troubleshoot. So click on that, and here you will get an option called other troubleshooters. So click on that. Now here you have to click on run button beside of network and internet option. So click on run and it will automatically detect and fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.